Hey guys, I'm the curator of Post Dragons and Son. I'm Kevin. We are here with the update week 1 of our bearded dragon. He is a Dunner Tiger, possible het trans. She is. We call her Sade. Yeah. We got her from Kids and Dragons. Michael, Maria. I know you guys probably already figured that out before, but the newcomers who never been in here before, this channel is about bearded dragons. We aim to educate every week. We do bearded dragon videos every week. This one right here is a quick update. You can go back and look at all the other videos, and I greatly appreciate all that. I have 317 subscribers. I appreciate all of you guys. So we back again. Let's show my boy. I'm Kevin. Hello, my boy.
What's up, y'all?
And me.
Jeremiah and Mari. He never really be.
Yeah, but it's Tuesday, so why not?
He's here on Tuesday. So we're gonna do a quick breakdown. We're gonna let him record a little bit, then we're gonna record and let Jeremiah take the controls.
Yeah, probably like 2 minutes.
Let me sit there. Yeah. So, week 1 of this bearded dragon. How was it? Yeah, it was pretty good. I had my moments with her. She was, didn't want to be around nobody. And you probably like, why she blocked off? You should block off your bearded dragon when you first get it.
Yeah.
Not everywhere, but some places you should block it off. These is BSFLs. I don't know why. There we go. So, these is BSFLs. We're gonna feed them. These bearded dragons love these. Some of them don't, but you are the owner.
What if you just stick your hand in?
I ain't sticking my hand in that.
You get bit like a mug.
Nah, well, maggots don't bite.
Nah.
So,
Still gonna be disgusting.
these is looking like they going pretty dead fast. I just bought them. What's up with you, Symptom? I just bought these bugs. I got 2 containers of these bugs, Symptom. I only had these bugs for like, I don't know how long.
How like a week?
Probably like, not even, bro. Maybe like 3 days, bro. So we gonna give her some of these bugs. We're gonna give
A lot of bugs.
We're gonna give Nipsey some bugs too. Yep.
Yeah.
It's hard to. They don't want to. Sometimes they don't want to eat it. Sometimes. But anyways, so what's been going on with this bearded dragon lately, huh? Everybody want to know that, maybe. This bearded dragon been okay. It had its moment, like I said before. Who's this? This is hers. It has moments where it was jumping all around. Some bearded dragons got like some antsy crap that they do it, and they just drive you crazy. You just gotta ignore it, or it's gonna drive you crazy.
Yeah.
We always be coming up here on a 5 month mark, right? That's 5 months. So my boy Jeremiah, what Jeremiah talk about? You want to talk about bearded dragons? Tell him about how she been all week.
She been cool. She been kind of been like crawling around the tank all the time.
Yep, talk to your camera. You can talk to your fans, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really know too much about this bearded dragon stuff, but I'm gonna tell you what I know.
Yep.
So she blocked off because she was out the trash one day. She was like, she kept running around the tank.
Yeah, she just kept
She was
on.
just going crazy. So my dad's doing the bugs right now, and
I really don't like bugs. It's not that.
ugly. If you scared, like my dad said, if you're scared of insects,
I know that. No, I'm kidding. I know that. You said. Kid.
Every worm right in my face, I'm probably a small one.
Yep. So, hey, hold the camera real quick. Alright, you want to talk about it? Go ahead, it's your time.
What you know?
What you know about
I'm
that?
not here all day. So.
No, I know, but what you know about that one? Since you've been here for the weekend, what it's been doing?
She's like smart. Like what?
Smart, yep.
Wait, look at the cam.
Look at the camera.
She's smart.
What the word?
She's smart.
Yeah, she's smart.
And kind of okay-ish for now.
Yeah, for now.
Yeah, for now. She gets older. She has to get used to it.
Yeah.
Yep. Take it back if you want.
Okay, take it back.
She's very friendly. Back it up.
Oh.
Back it up.
Bad.
It's too close to your
I
head.
like this. So yeah, so I'm trying to give them all these. It seems like they ain't gonna be able to probably eat them all, but I'm gonna try anyways. Give him some more.
Wait until he gets 6 minutes.
Cause he a big boy. Give him some. Give him. I'm gonna give her some more too, actually. So this gonna probably be like a 50 count. I'm gonna be real with you.
A 50.
Yeah, it's 50.
It's 50.
So, how much do she weigh? Do you guys want to see how much she weigh real quick? Because me and Jeremiah, we already did this over the weekend. This bearded dragon was like 60, I think. 60 grams.
60 minutes.
60 grams. Yep. 60 grams, and I want to say. Yeah, 60 grams and 12 inches. Man, don't put that on my head, brother.
I got it on your head.
So look. So far, so good. It seems like you've been pretty like hot and agitated. But hey, you come from Texas. Ain't Texas hot?
To be honest.
It's hot as heck in Texas. I got family down there. I got family in Texas. It's really hot in Texas. She just acted a little. Some days you don't want to even sit in the basking area, but I fixes it. It's trial and error. You guys, if you have a bearded dragon, it's trial and error. I've been doing this for like five years now. No, I ain't boxing that. That's not mine. No. It's your mom's. Yep. So remember, what they don't eat, what you do? They don't eat. We'll go put them on Nipsey real quick.
That video done, I'm gonna be.
My boy Nipsey.
See him?
What up, my boys?
Alright, let me go. Let me get this.
Let's get back now.
Yep. It's hard to get Nipsey. It's hard to get Nipsey on camera anymore because the way his tank is at.
Yeah.
His tank is like in a bad spot. Not for me. It's a good spot for me.
Yeah, but the camera's not gonna.
Yeah, it's a bad spot for the camera.
Now,
Someone holds it.
Somebody hold it.
if y'all new, let's talk about Nipsey. I almost said Cheetos, so I
Look, here
messed
go
up.
Superbird. Look at my calling in for Superworms. I got like over 500 Superworms in there. Look. What you do? Take the food that he was eating. Throw it in there.
He didn't do the face.
Just
Throw it.
Just
Don't care, never care, won't care, don't care. Anyway, the bearded dragon is cool. The bearded dragon, yes, it poops every day.
Yeah, an aspect.
It drop logs every day.
It dropped dookie bombs.
Every day.
It was like
Every day, bro. Every single day. Here, man. Here, fat boy.
Fat turd.
So
He
Nipsey.
be dropping sometimes.
Yeah.
I think Nipsey is a hypo.
Yep, he's a hypo leatherback.
Yep. He's a
Hypo
hypo
leatherback.
leatherback. He's a good dragon, but he's biting.
Now, yeah, he still be on that trash.
It's the stupid nip.
Yeah, I think
what
he's
it's called.
stupid. He's not
Yeah,
stupid.
stupid nip.
He just be on some trash. Why? I don't know. And her tank is getting a little bit hotter than it was a while ago, which is unbelievable because I a lot of air going
Can't
in
see
back
now.
there. I got windows open.
Look what I found.
And we live in Ohio. It's crazy here. You guys want me to measure? You guys want me to measure her on camera?
Go for it. We can do.
How many minutes we got, bro?
We got the 8. It's not saying minutes.
How many?
It's not saying minutes. It's saying 8 minutes. No.
That's cool.
Y'all look what I'm about to do.
Don't do that. That's a feather. What's up?
Up your nose.
So I'm gonna get this.
It's a fanny up.
Man, let's see what the. You knocked over this bowl with the maggots in it, bro.
Oh my.
Mari right sometimes. Yeah, Jimmy, you doing stupid stuff.
He's stuffing his
We
stuffing
doing stupid stuff.
stuffing his face.
We doing stupid stuff. He eating it, but he just being it. He just being an idiot. So yeah, we ain't gonna. You guys want me to measure her on camera?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
We should do that at the same time.
I already did it, but I do it for you guys. Yeah.
Yeah, y'all are.
Put it on the scale.
Y'all are FANS.
My fans, man, I love you.
And if we're getting the mug in, if we're getting some more subscribers.
Just a fan.
That'd be nice if we had more subscribers. We got one more. We caught one more. We caught a body.
Yeah, we got somebody on
We
there.
caught a body.
Yeah, this is about to be a good joke. I'm just a fan.
All right, here we're gonna measure her one more time. I already did it, but you guys never seen it.
Again,
Check it. You see it?
See it?
So you get you a little measuring thing. Damn, Rick, people don't talk about this. about getting skills.
I'm gonna try it.
Me, I do. Yeah, let him do it. I talk about skills because you should measure your dragon from week to week. Because if you don't measure your dragon week to week, things can go wrong really fast.
Repache. And we're not
Keep it classy. Nope.
We're not sponsored.
I wish, man.
I wish, dude.
Some kitty potato.
61 grams. You see it?
Yeah, 61 right here, chilling.
61. Come on, mama.
61 grams right now, baby.
Say hi.
You should see how much
You
she.
feel, baby. Hey, oh. I quit.
She moving around. You should take Nipsey out and see how big he is.
Oh boy.
Nipsey. Nah, I don't do it.
Nah, I
Somebody-
love Nipsey.
Somebody stink back here.
Oh yeah.
It smell like doo-doo.
Somebody stink back here. And I don't know why. Because over the weekend, guys, I gave both of them a bath. It might be Nipsey doo-doo from earlier.
Yeah.
It was just lingering. And just lingering in the air like, I'm going to look.
I'm gonna do.
I'm going to.
I'm gonna-
Stop.
I'm gonna
I
do-
get stupid, bro. I get stupid, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna doogie do.
I'm going to do. You push this back. So anyways, the 1 week update, Bitter Dragon 61 grams. Kind of weird because I just measured her like a day ago and she was 60 grams and now she's 61. Whatever. And I think she was 13 inches, right? Yeah, 13 inches long. But I know she ain't gonna eat it, but my boy Nipsey over here devouring food with his fat butt.
It's the point you so close. I'm sniffing your back neck.
Talking about that, I'm gonna stink, bro. I smell like,
You want me to do it?
I smell like,
Come on in.
I smell like Kilanji.
Come on, Jay.
Let's put all this stuff back in here.
Cologne.
Come on, G.
Man, my Xbox last night messed up. I'm so mad.
Yeah, but I think that's just normal. No, not mess up. That's the mess up, but the Xbox is rambling hot.
Yeah, I should seem that way.
Yeah, mine gets rambling hot.
So,
Oh,
I don't play it. I got used to play it, but I still play it, mug.
I-
Oh, let's see Num Num moment.
I play too much.
Pick up where we left off. My son Amari hit the dang on button.
Hit the button.
That's too close, bro.
Num num.
I ain't that mad about it, but you gotta be careful.
Look at this boy.
Gotta be careful with this.
Look at this boy.
Man, Nipsey, don't. No.
Hit this.
So,
Hit this.
33. Go eat. I ain't bothering you. Yeah, you were just eating and then out of nowhere you want to eat it.
That's a random moment.
Man, this cat. My kid supposed to be cameraman. They ain't no cameraman. They amateurs. Amateurs.
I'm an inch too.
They amateur. Well, yeah, because, like, look, I don't hire nobody. I do this on my own. We have fun. And this is what it is. We have fun. And, you know, until the channel get more bigger and more flexible and more, and, you know, we'll start doing better things like buying can. I still want to do giveaways. How about this? How about this? Hold on. How about this? I got an idea. If we get to 500 subscribers,
Giveaway.
I'll do a giveaway.
Could you get?
I said 1,000, but this time,
Oh
what are we
my.
gonna give away? That's the point of a giveaway.
oh yeah.
If you don't want to give away the giveaway. Give away the giveaway. So give me 500. Let's get this. Man, what the? Alright, get the 500 subscribers. Okay, I promise. Get the 500 subscribers, y'all. We'll do a giveaway. And, you know, the giveaway could be whatever. It could be an Xbox. It could be a PlayStation. It could be gift cards. It could be Starbucks. It could be money. It could be whatever. Yeah. It could be your mom.
Yeah, don't give me your mom.
This whole 2-minute video was funny.
Bye, bro. So, that's all we got for this 1 week update. We probably shoot another video. Get back it up, son. We can probably shoot another video soon. I'm not sure when. But we probably do one this week, you know? Until the next time, you got a loose booty over here. Got a loose booty magazine rolling around in them BS Bells. I'm Kevin from Host Dragons and Sons. Till the next time, we love you guys. Stay tuned in. Turn on post notification bell to get the drops on all the new videos. We are a Bearded Dragon channel. We are family. We are a family channel. Sometimes I don't make family content.
Yeah.
And that's when I put it age appropriate so you don't have to watch it.
Yeah. So this is the remix of our intro. This is Jeremiah. This is Damari.
And this is Gypsy the Bearded Dragon. And this is Sade the Bearded Dragon.
Oh, Mama.
Why her mouth? AKA Mama.
We gone.
Peace. Oh my God.
Kind of funny.
Bro, you burped like 20 times in this video.